Uhoro uyu urekereirio ni minista wa maundu ma Mbeu njithi Sicily Kariuki akiongerera kuuga kimanjika kingi kia billioni 12 turuma mugwanja nikirikitie kuneanwo kuri ikundi cia Mbeu njithi na niguo kumahotithia kwambika tabarĩra itiganite itemi-ini ria guthondeka mieke ya mawira.
For the Youth Enterprise Fund, we have disbursed upwards of 12 billion shillings. We have covered close to 1 million young people. Under the Uwezo Fund, we have disbursed upwards of 5.2 billion shillings.
Kariuki ugite ikundi ici ni ihotete gukorwo ikiamukira kandarathi nene kuma kuri thirikari, akiuga makiria ma atumia 24,000 ni mamukirite kandarathi ciakinyaniria muigana wa millioni 26. Oho minista ni acakaite kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia ngahiha kuri atumia, akiuga ucio ni thina obatie kuhitanwo naguo kaimana.
We've come this far. The direction is right. The speed is right. The intentions are good, but we still have a long way to go before we can cover issues of gender equality and women empowerment.
Mwena-ini wake gavana wa Kericho Paul Chepkuony augite kanja ya gavana kugereera thirikari cia matura ni ikoretwo ihotorete niguo kuhingura mathukuru maria morotereirio kuhe Mbeu njithi na atumia maugi ma kothi itiganite.
The 47 county governments have continued to increase allocations towards the vocational training centers, which has seen the enrollment of male and female trainees increase from 69,635 with a ratio of male 35,708 and female 24,927.
Area ya mararagia mari mwena wa Naivasha hindi ya mambura ma kumurika mitaratara ya thirikari muoroto-ini wa kwambararia ikundi cia atumia na Mbeu njithi. Muigai wa Gathungo, mohoro Gitau.